Hi, today I'd like to talk to you about uh, how to set up your site really fast with starter templates. Now, starter templates and starter sites are uh, the latest, I think, for themes and page builders. I've seen Elementor has them, um, uh, Cadence Theme has them, and you can find this. This is a site, startertemplates.com, and you can get the starter templates for any of the page builders, Gutenberg, Weaver Builder, Elementor, Breezy, and you will find that when you import these, it will import everything that you need. Um, let's say you need a premium plugin, it will tell you that you need that premium plugin, or usually they'll just install. If you need a theme, a specific theme, then it will install it for you. So let's test that out. Let's go to my dashboard, and I want to install that starter templates plugin. There we go. Okay, and here we can see the library. Let's see what we've got. And we're going to choose the page builder. I don't want to install Elementor right now, so we'll just do it with Gutenberg. And let's get something relatively easy. Let's do this first one. Okay, and you can import one page or you can import everything. And let's preview this site before we do that. And I'm advising you to, it's not that you're going to use this site as is. You can do that, but and change the colors and things like that. But you can also just use elements from it. If you like this area here, you copy that and you use it and you save it, and you reuse it on your designs. Now, if you're using Elementor, you can save to the template library. You can save certain areas. Okay, I like this one, but let's import the complete site, and it will tell me if I need something else. Okay, it's going to activate the Astra theme. And I'm just going to skip this. Let's view the site. Okay. Let's see edit page and see what we've got. Let's see what type of blocks we have here. This is a cover block. This is just a group of blocks here, a headline, a heading, some buttons, another cover with a fixed background. So these are simple sections, blocks that you can find in Gutenberg. And if you'd like to reuse them, you click here and you click Add to Reusable Blocks, and it will save it and you can reuse it. The only thing with reusable blocks is that you have to detach them afterward. Let's say you want this block on another page but with a different text. Then when you add that block to that page, then you would have to sort of disconnect it from the reusable block, because if you change something from a reusable block it will change it in every block that you're using unless you disconnect them. But let's say you just want this as a template and then you use it, you save it as a reusable block and then insert it in another page and then disconnect it on that other page as a reusable block. So in here you can see the starter templates. It will take you to those. And it's interesting, here we have patterns. So you can have different parts of a site. I wonder if I can import this. Okay, that looks nice. All right, I like that. That's pretty awesome. Okay, all right, let's update this. Let's preview it. Okay. All right, so you can also use parts of the starter templates. I like that. I really like these patterns here. Let's get some light ones. These are good for testimonials and things like that. So as you can see, you have a lot of little areas that you can use to add to your designs. Okay. Or if you just have a website that seems similar to this theme, then you can just switch your images and your brand colors here, and use that as a starting point for your site. So I urge you to test these out. It's really easy to get these little blocks of inspiration from these starter templates. And if you're not a designer like me, this will help you a lot to get a really cool looking site in no time at all.